How to connect laptop to any TV with cable. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can connect laptop to any TV with cable. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to connect your laptop to a TV with a cable, you can use an HDMI cable, which is the most common and easiest way. For that, what do you need is that first of all, you need the HDMI cable, a TV with an HDMI input, and a laptop with an HDMI output. Now, in order to connect your laptop to a TV, first of all, you have to plug one end of your HDMI cable into your laptop's HDMI port. Then, the other end of the HDMI cable into the one of the HDMI port on your TV. After that, you can use your TV remote to switch the input source to the correct HDMI port. Now on your laptop, you have to press Windows and P key in your keyboard. And from these options, you can either choose duplicate, extend or second screen, so that your TV will act as a second monitor and will mirror your laptop screen. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.